Hello! Today I will show you how to round image corners in Canva. When you're already in your Canva editor, select the image you want to edit, and then look for the sparkle icon on the lower right side, which is Quick Actions. Click Show More. Scroll down to look for Corner Rounding, and then click it. Here you can adjust the roundness of the edges you want to be. I'll put in 50. There you go. I'm just going to select another image to give you another example. I'm just going to do it again, and then I'm going to put in 50 again. There you have it. You already rounded up the edges of your image. That's it. Thanks for watching.